Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.7, question number 1. Our question is find 0.4 divided by 2. So whenever division is given, you have to write it as a fraction. 0.4 divided by 2 we have to take. Now here after the point, how many digit is given? Only one digit is given. So we have to multiply and divided by 10. Why we are multiplying by dividing by 10 means to remove the decimal. So here while we are dividing the decimal, when you are multiplying with the 10, the decimal will move to one place to the right hand side. Here only 1 0, the decimal should move to one place. So 0.4 into 10 will give you 4. Actually this will become 04 dot. So the 0 has no value, you can leave. That after this dot also it has no value because after that we don't have anything. So that also you no need to keep. 2 into 10 will give you 20. Write it. Now we are going to cancel 4 by 20. Just a normal division. Here 4, here 20 we are having. 20, always numerator should come inside, denominator should come outside. 20 table 4 will not come. So keep a dot. So if you are keeping a dot here, we can take a 0. Now 20 table 40 we needed. 22s are 40. So here what is the answer we are getting? 0.2. So that is the final answer. 0.2 is your correct answer. We'll move on to the next problem now. So our question 2.48 divided by 4. So first the division should be written as a fraction. So 2.48 divided by 4. Now I want to remove the decimal. So after the decimal, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So we have to multiply and divide it by 100. So here 2 numbers are there, no? So I want to bring my dot to here. So how many places we are moving? 2 places we are moving. That's why we are taking 100 because 100 only we have 2 zeros. So here also we should multiply by 100. Now when you are multiplying 2.48 into 100, that will give you definitely 248 by here we are having 4 into 100. So we can divide 248 by 400 also. That is a one way. Here I am going to teach you the another method that is easier than the before method. Here 4 and 248 is easy to cancel. 4 ones are 4. Here 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 62 times we are getting. So otherwise you can divide 248 and 4 alone. We will be getting 62. So the answer we are getting is 62 by 100. Now division with 100 also very simple. Without dividing we can write. Here there is no decimal is given. Decimal you should keep it at the last. The number doesn't have the decimal means we have to keep the decimal at the last. Now when you are dividing by 100, the decimal will move to the left hand side. How many places it should move? 2 places it should move. So the dot will come in here. So actually 0.62. That means 0.62 is your correct answer. While you are multiplying, here you are multiplying, the dot will move to the right hand side. While we are dividing, the dot will move to the left hand side. That is a basic concept for the decimal multiplication and division. We'll move on to one more problem now. 14.49 divided by 7 is our question. So here first we are writing the division into the fraction. Now we are going to multiply and divide by what number? Here after the point, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So we have to multiply and divide it by 100 we should do. So here when you are multiplying 14.49 into 100, the point will be going to this side. So this will become 1449. By denominator we are having 7 into 100. You keep as it is. Why means 7 and this number cancellation is very easy. So here the cancellation, I am just going to teach you the division once. Rough column you just divide it. 1449 by 7 we are dividing. 7 2s are 14. Next here the remainder got 0. Here we are receiving the next number, we are getting 4. But 4 in 7 table it not possible. So I want to bring down one more number. So while we are doing like this, when we are bringing 2 numbers together, that time you have to add one 0 in the quotient. Then only you can bring the next number down. Now we are getting 49. 7 7s are 49. That is your correct answer. So 7 and this number is giving you 207 as the answer. So here we are getting 207 by, here 7 we divided, that 100 we didn't use yet, that you have to write it as it is. Now there is no point in this number. We have to keep it at the last. While we are dividing, the decimal should move to the left hand side. How many places it should move? Only 2 places, because 100 having only 2 zeros. The point is going to this side. So 2.07 is your correct answer. That is your correct value. We'll move on to one more problem for better understanding. 3.96 divided by 4. That should be written as a fraction first. Here after the point, here we have 2 number. So here also we have to multiply and divided by 100 we should do. Now multiplication 100, so 3.96 will become 396. To make this number as a whole number only, we are doing this multiplication. Here you just write it 4 into 100. So these two number we will divide it easily, then we can go for this 100. So in rough column we are dividing 396 by 4. 4 9s are 36. Remainder 3. Next number we are getting 6. Again 4 9s are 36. Remainder 0. So we are getting 99. So here the quotient is 99 by, we have done this division only. This 100 is remaining. That 100 should be written here. So while we are dividing, so there is no pointers in this number. You should keep it at the last. So we are dividing by 100. So 2 zeros are there. The decimal should move to 2 places towards your left hand side. So 0.99 is your correct answer. So during division, the point should go to your left hand side. For multiplication, it should go to your right hand side. That's all. Thank you, students. Subscribe our channel for more videos.